Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video I want to talk about that cinematic travel vlogs are not cinematic. So the main reason I say that is because there is a certain kind of video that has all the same tropes, the same looks, and the main thing is if you look at tourism board promo videos or commercials, those are identical. The only difference is those are sponsored by tourism boards with also like a slogan telling people to travel to that country. But the main thing is it has pretty much the same tropes of color grading, letterboxing, like shallow depth of field, also having slow-mo shots, time-lapse shots, drone shots, pretty much like all those B-roll shots, and yeah, quite a lot of things that are literally the same. Well, you can't really say like that travel vlogs has anything similar to a actual cinematic feature film, because first of all, those travel vlogs are really short. They don't have a 3x structure with a storyline. They can have it, but most of them don't. And yeah, you can't have like a feature film that's just only consists of B-rolls without having a story at all. And pretty much like it's just does not have that much similarities to a cinematic movie than compared to a tourism board travel promo or a commercial. So in the description below I actually have a link to a video which you can see. It's a very old video, but it has all the tropes of what they now call a cinematic travel video or a travel vlog. So I feel like people should not call it a cinematic travel or cinematic travel vlog anymore. It should be called what it is, a travel promo. So it's going to promote the country that they've gone to, literally showing epic shots of the locations, pretty much like to convince people to travel to that country because that is an awesome country to go to, and enable them also to know that there's awesome locations to see and awesome things to do. So those are more the correct terms, because like if I look back at 10 years ago, I myself, when I started with filmmaking, I would also talk about literally like, wow, that's a really cool TVC, I like that style, and like I would like to actually film if I would ever go on vacation to do those kind of videos. And even though like somehow like since the recent 2 years, somehow people forgot about those TVC adverts. Even though those adverts can be seen on any flights when you fly to any countries, often you will see upon arrival a video of that country that you're going to, or like yeah, pretty much promoting the country. So if I actually like to Taiwan, you get like an epic video with a lot of time lapses of like nature shots with the clouds moving and everything. And a lot of other Asian countries have like really cool promo videos. So not quite sure why and since when people started forgetting that those videos existed, and those pretty much have all the same tropes of what they now call a cinematic travel video. So what I want to talk about in this video, and also in the comment here below, what should it be called? Should it be still called cinematic travel vlogs, or like what I suggest, travel promos? Or do you have any other suggestions what kind of naming they should get? Please comment below, let's discuss about this topic. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.